Hey there, beach lovers! Planning a beach getaway? I've got you covered with the ultimate packing list to make sure you have an amazing time under the sun. First up, sun protection. This is a must. Pack a high SPF sunscreen, your favorite sunglasses, and a stylish hat to shield your skin from those harsh UV rays. Trust me, you'll thank yourself later. Next, let's talk toiletries. Waterproof sunscreen is a game changer, especially if you're planning to hit the waves. Don't forget lip balm with SPF and some aloe vera gel to soothe any unexpected sunburns. When it comes to clothing, think lightweight and loose-fitting. You'll want 2-3 swimsuits, a couple of beach cover-ups, and about 4 t-shirts or casual tops. Throw in 3 pairs of shorts or skirts, some pants for evenings, and a light sweater or elegant wrap for those cooler nights. For your feet, waterproof sandals or flip-flops are a must. If you're an avid beach walker, consider water shoes for extra comfort. Don't forget a beach bag to carry all your essentials. You'll need a beach towel, plenty of water to stay hydrated, and snacks. Speaking of snacks, avoid anything that needs refrigeration. Stick to non-perishable items to keep things simple. Lastly, bring a beach blanket or mat, a good book, and maybe some beach toys if you're traveling with kids. And there you have it. Follow this packing list, and you'll be all set for your perfect beach getaway. Enjoy the sun, sand, and waves. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome tips.